2012 Volkswagen GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, security system, heated front seats, CD player, trip computer, power windows, fog lights, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.